Hello folks. Before we get started with the 1% principle, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Now, my coaches are Fergal Downs, Trevor Carr, and Max Gerstenmaier. Three very accomplished internet marketers in their own right. And this is a massive opportunity for you folks. So if you are interested, make sure you click that first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can grab the 1% principle in the second link in the description at any point during this video. And when you do, I'll give you our 5-star bonuses. Bonus number 1 shows you how to earn money from affiliate marketing. And you will learn trends and strategies to outperform other affiliates and receive a comprehensive list of resource articles. Bonus number 2 shows you how to supercharge your online business with free traffic to make money online. And so I suggest that you grab it and you will reach your online income goals quickly and easily. And bonus number 3 shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr, so that when you get an order for a high-value gig, as an example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a lower price and then sell it to your buyer for a higher price, and you pocket the difference. And bonus number 4 shows you how to create a passive income. And this is crucial. It's not only a passive income, it's a recurring passive income. And bonus number 5 shows you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending about 15 minutes a day running the entire system. And you receive a done-for-you high-converting website to boot. And all you need to do is turn on the traffic source. Now, who is the vendor of the 1% principle? Well, Yushan and Callie Lee. They are 2 prolific creators and vendors in personal development and the self-help niche. They have over 32,700 sales just on the Warrior Plus platform. And 1% principle will be a hit among your followers, I know. It comes highly recommended. In a nutshell, the 1% principle is a PLR guide for those who want to succeed through small incremental improvements. Here are some things that you should know about this product. It's a 100% done-for-you package, ready to resell, and has never been seen before. It's properly researched in a hot niche, and it's fully integrated with a sales funnel and sales material. You can put your name on it, claim it as your own, and it comes with a high-quality content with your ebook, blog, articles, and you can sell it and keep all the profits. And you can do that without the hard work. And finally, you can build your buyers list effortlessly. Now, if you or your customers want to achieve extraordinary results through consistent small improvements, develop a growth mindset, and continuously strive for self-improvement, balance short-term goals with long-term aspirations effectively, cultivate habits that lead to sustained success and productivity, overcome fears and invest in personal development, and embrace change and use it as a catalyst for growth. Implement practical strategies for continuous improvement in all areas of life. And then you must trust the process of making incremental changes to achieve significant results through this 1% principle solution. Now, there's a lot to learn with this 10,000-word self-help guide. The impact that you would receive on personal growth and professional development is something that you can fully understand. Techniques you will learn. You will learn techniques for becoming an individual extraordinaire by making small daily improvements. You'll learn strategies to raise your standards and be more purposeful in your actions, overcoming fears and investing in self-improvement, and moving past the bare minimum to achieve extraordinary results. And you can see there is much, much more that you can learn with this particular product, and you can find that on the sales page. Now, those who might be interested in this product are business owners, self-help coaches, anyone who wants to leverage this PLR to set foot in the lucrative niche of personal development and growth instantly. Anyone who's interested in self-improvement and personal discovery, regardless of age, sex, profession, or ethnicity, would be interested in this product. Each chapter includes beautiful graphics, as you can see. And so, what is all involved here in terms of the sales funnel? Well, the front end is between $13.95 and $19.95, depending on when you jump in. So the price increases as the product moves along. With the front end, you receive the premium quality ebook, comprehensive checklist, comprehensive mind map, high converting sales page, a thank you page, hypnotizing videos, letter, exclusive lead magnet, professional landing pages, follow-up email swipes, stunning graphics pack, as I mentioned, license certificates, and you also receive 3 fast action bonuses: a PLR powerhouse, a sales funnel hack, and another unannounced bonus. There's also 4 upgrades. OTO1 relates to high quality videos upgrade, high converting upsell pages, and professional video sales letter, professional slides for all videos, and so on. OTO2 comes with a special PLR bundle package, and that includes 4 best-selling PLR packages in one special offer, and all PLR packages come with full front end of the product and pro upgrades. OTO3 is a done-for-you installation for $77 to $147, and it depends on what it is that you're looking for. And you also can move into a membership site for anywhere from $27 to $197. And that's the Abundance Print VIP membership site, whereby you get early access to all the latest PLR products every month. Now, if you need to know more, you click on that second link below and get the full story. And check out how you can earn $10,000 monthly in that first link below, and my 5 bonuses. They will show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic, buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference, gain recurring income online easily, earn daily income using 3 simple steps while spending about 15 minutes a day running the entire system, and how to gain income from affiliate marketing, plus much more. Now, thank you for watching, folks. We'll see you next time.